Hello, my name is Melissa. In this video, we'll create unique stamps using materials found in and around your home. Some suggested materials to use are popsicle sticks, rubber bands, rocks, buttons, or beads. In addition to your found objects, you might want to take a piece of cardboard to use as the base of your stamp, glue, paint, paintbrush, and a piece of paper that will be your surface. For my specific stamp, I chose to use some old buttons and old keys that I found lying around my room. To start creating your stamp, you want to cut one piece of cardboard the size that you want your stamp to be, and this will serve as the base of your stamp. And then you can use all your other found materials to arrange your design on the cardboard. And feel free to experiment and create different arrangements until you find something that you're really excited and happy with. Once you've decided on your arrangement, cover the cardboard in glue and attach the found materials to the cardboard. Depending on what type of glue you use, it can take different amounts of time to dry. And so I used that time to select the color of paints I would use, to mix paints together and really experiment with the different colors that would be available to me. And once your stamp is dry, you can cover the mixed media stamp with paint and try to only cover the found materials and to not paint the base of your stamp. Once it's covered in paint, press the paint against the paper. And you would have created your first stamp. For me, stamp making is really exciting because you can recreate this image again and again and experiment with different colors and different textures. So continue to cover your stamp in paint and press it face down, replicate the pattern, and create something that you're excited about. Once you feel that your final product is complete, post a photo and tag Mocha Cleveland. We'll be really excited to see what you've made.